Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a team collaboration tool with Microsoft Teams. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by launching Microsoft Teams on your computer or device. If you don't have Microsoft Teams installed, download it from the official Microsoft website. Once open, sign in with your Microsoft account credentials. Create a new team by selecting the Teams icon on the left sidebar. Click on the Join or Create a Team button at the bottom of the Teams list. Choose the Create Team option. Select from scratch or from an existing team based on your preference. If you select from scratch, choose whether your team will be private or public. Give your team a meaningful name that reflects its purpose. Add a brief description to help members understand the team's focus. Click on the Create button to finalize your team setup. Now, add members to your team by typing their email addresses in the provided field. You can also select members from your organization using the search function. Once you have added all necessary members, click Add. Next, set up channels to organize conversations and tasks effectively. Click on the More Options icon next to your team name and select Add Channel. Name your channel according to its specific topic or function. Add a description to clarify its purpose and select whether it should be standard or private. Click Add to create the channel. Within channels, you can start conversations by clicking on the Start a New Conversation box. Encourage team members to participate by tagging them using the @ symbol followed by their name. To share files, click on the Files tab at the top of the channel. Upload documents by clicking on the Upload button and selecting your files. You can also create new documents directly within Teams by clicking New. To schedule meetings, navigate to the Calendar tab on the left sidebar. Click on the New Meeting button at the top right corner of the calendar view. Fill in the meeting details including title, date, time, and invitees. Once complete, click Save to send out invites to your team members. Lastly, utilize the integrated tools like Planner and OneNote for project management and note-taking. Explore the app integrations to enhance functionality based on your team's needs. With these steps, you are well equipped to build an efficient team collaboration tool using Microsoft Teams. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.